LGBTQ couples could soon get insurance coverage for fertility treatments under an Illinois bill headed to the governor's desk at this hour. The current law does not extend to LGBTQ people, single people, and women with certain health issues unless they pay on their own first for a year. If it does become law, the new requirements will apply to about 20% of insurance plans in the state. The bill passed the House 68-43 and the Illinois Senate 49-6. The governor's office has not yet confirmed whether or not he will sign that into law. We are joined now by Parham Zar, the founder of Donor and Surrogacy Institute. He's an expert in family planning, especially for options for LGBTQ partners. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
You've been doing this for how long now, helping LGBTQ couples have babies?
For 20 years.
What is this like having these couples come in who sometimes do not have all of the options available to them, but giving them their shot at having a family?
It is really a miracle and a blessing. The fact that, the urge to become a parent is great, and to be able to help them achieve that goal is tremendous and really fulfilling.
It's not a cheap option. This is very expensive when you're talking about the different types of fertility treatments. Go down the list of the different options available to different types of partners.
So when you're looking at either individuals or couples who need the help of either a sperm donor, an egg donor, or a surrogate in order to create their family, the options are definitely there, and we are blessed to live in this day and age where they can avail themselves of these options. But of course, affording them is a different story.
Right. These options are obviously been available for 20 years for couples, especially those of means, but those who don't necessarily have the money and the savings to be able to do this, they've kind of been left out in the cold. Tell me what this new legislation, if it's signed by the governor, how that will change the dynamic for these couples.
It is truly tremendous, because one of the most devastating parts of what we do is when we face individuals who just cannot afford financially to create their family. The costs could be anywhere around $100,000 to $200,000 when they go through the process of IVF, egg donation, surrogacy, even sperm donation. So in those cases, to have the support of the insurance companies is really tremendous.
Go down the list of options and what might be best for different types of couples as far as surrogacy is concerned, egg donor, sperm donor, that type of thing.
So in order to create a baby, you need
Right.
four things. You need sperm, you need egg, embryos, and you need a womb, a uterus to carry the baby. Especially, for example, for a same-sex gay couple, they do definitely need an egg donor, and they need a surrogate to carry the pregnancy for them. So there are many options available.
What do you almost always tell these couples when they first come in about the potential pitfalls and the good things about going down this route? What's your first piece of advice?
It is a long journey. I say that build the best team around yourself. Really try to support yourself with the best doctor, the best agency, the best egg donor, the best surrogate. Stack your team and go into battle knowing that you're hedging all the bets in your favor.
One thing that we do know about parents that go through this is that they want to be parents. They are usually very prepared, correct?
100%. They are emotionally ready. They might not be financially able to do it at the time, but hopefully with the help of the insurances, then they will really achieve their dream.
All right. Thank you so much. Do appreciate that. We'll look for the legislation to be signed or not, and hopefully we can get some help for those couples wanting to start their families.
Absolutely. Thank you.
You can find more about the Donor and Surrogacy Institute online at eggdonorandsurrogacy.com or on Instagram at eggdonorandsurrogacy. Parham Zar, thank you so much for joining us. Do appreciate it.
Thank you.